Hey guys, I'm going to grab the camera and talk into the camera because I'm in a busy intersection, you won't hear me. So let me grab the camera here. Now, just got this 47. It's got about 100 miles on a fresh restoration. It's not a nut and bolt correct restoration. There's some repop, there's some real. Prices are, I can't even believe where prices have gone to. It's like, oh my fucking God. So it's priced accordingly to what the prices are today, even with the reproduction parts. So what you have is a lick stock, good rider. I haven't fired it up yet. I just got it off the truck. So my buddy said you put a battery in it, you got it running. So we're gonna hopefully fire it and take it up and down the street here and let you hear it run. So what we have, I'm gonna name the reproduction parts, the rest are real. So it's a repop front fender, repop horn, repop lens, repop bars, brake handle, repop frame, repop exhaust, repop toolbox, repop seat. Okay, the rest, as far as I know, is real. Obviously the air cleaner's restored, motor's restored, good motor numbers, the rear fender is real, the tail light's real, the headlight's real, just not the lens. Front shock is real. The front shock is not what I would call restored. So it's got the mismatched rocker arm on the Springer. It's a late on the right side. This is the correct late right side with an early left side. The gentleman is old. He couldn't do the rocker clutch, so it's just set up with the pedal down. Repop primary covers, of course. So we're hiding the numbers on the motor, but there are good numbers there. Real heads, barrels, cases. It's our EL. Got a real speedo, real dash, real gas caps, but they're later. The tanks are real, very nice. Got real tank emblems, very nice. All this stuff is just getting incredibly hard to come by at anything. Now, I'm sure you're all aware of the Mecum auction with a 46 in this basic condition. And the Bergen collection brought $220,000. No, this is not $220,000 or even $100,000. It's dramatically less. It is for sale. So it is priced accordingly with the prices today. There's nothing I can do about it. So I'm not happy with the prices today any more than you guys are, but as the stuff leaves the country, the prices go up. It's just the reality of it. So we're gonna try and fire it up, and if it fires up, I'm gonna take it up and down the street. So I'm gonna give the camera back to Opie. Here you go, love. Gas on. Wow. Boy, Mr. Gorilla put this on. Wow. Okay, go ahead and stop that. I gotta get a tool.
Okay. No.